Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Slack to Miro. To do that, click your account on the upper right hand side and you want to access your profile settings. Under your profile settings, you can go ahead and click on integrations and scroll down and you should find Slack in the list. Now you have multiple Slack. You have the Slack, you have the Slack contacts, and you also have the Slack app, right? Miro. So I've already connected this one already, and I've done this while setting up the application, right? When I'm creating my account for Miro. Now, if this wasn't the case, I can do the same thing and just go basically connect. So how does it work? You click on connect and it's going to open up and try to authorize Miro or link Miro to Slack. And so you'll see right here that it is showing my Slack account and I just need to accept and continue. Now you can see here that I will receive a 6-digit code that will expire within 15 minutes, and that's going to come to the email. So all I have to do is just go to the email where I will receive that 6-digit. And here you can see that I received the 6-digit. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, go back to this and just go ahead and paste that in. And as you can see right now, this is done, and I head back over and you can see that it is connected to Slack. And that's how easy it is, guys, to connect Slack to Miro. The same applies to the contacts and basically the app as well. And that's pretty much it.